Okay, MondelaFX ICT initiated the Eagle Eye. Okay, in this analysis, this is a weekly top-down analysis, and in this analysis, I'm going to show you what the market, the forex market, will do in the coming week of trading. So this is the top-down weekly analysis. The weekly bias is going to be given to you in this analysis. So how do we start our analysis? If you have been following us, we always start from TradingView, from investing.com, where we need to determine the economic calendar for the week. So you can see right here on Monday, you already know how to check this investing.com. I've been doing it. If you are if you are new to this, you watch my previous video, you see how to locate investing.com from your Chrome and your app on your phone, right? So on Monday, it's public holiday, right? All day. You can see right there, holiday, United States Martin Luther King Day. So that day is a public holiday. We don't trade, and already in my timetable, you people know that I don't trade on Monday. Then we have on Tuesday, which is 21st January 2025. This time you are seeing right here, this is Eastern time. So anytime you are seeing right here is New York time. You'll be the one to convert it to your own time. This is 2 a.m. Eastern time. So we have average earning index bonus. So you people know how I always do it. One thing I want people to understand is then 5 o'clock we'll have another. All these news on Tuesday, they are in London session. We don't have any news in New York session on Tuesday right here. So you can see all of them here, all the news that we have. What I pay attention to is what news and what time. That is the only thing I pay attention to. So you can see all of them here. Then on Wednesday, we have Wednesday, look at it right here, 10 o'clock. Which one? This one is in New York. We don't have any news event in London on Tuesday. The first news start from 10 o'clock, which is in New York session. And you can see is the US leading index. All of them. So what I do basically, people know what I do. I don't really do much analysis here. All I want to see is what news and what time. And you people know how I used to use this news in the forex chart. I have used that already in my previous video where I showed people how I was trading CPI, right? Then and some other news events. So this is another one of it, which I'm going to do this week again. So look at them here on Thursday. We have another one 8:30 here, right here, which is continuous jobless claim, initial jobless claim. You can see all of them. Then on Friday, we have a lot of news. You people can see that last week Friday, you see how they manipulated price with those news events. Because what I do is anytime you see multiple impacts and high new event like this on this calendar, that very day they will manipulate price a lot because they use this price here, they use this news event to send price up and down in the market. So whenever you come to this investing.com and you see, look at Friday now. Friday is a very busy day from right from 3 a.m. Eastern time to 4. Look at all of them. Look, all these news events, there are many. A very good day that you see a good trade. Look at on Wednesday we don't have much. On Tuesday we don't have much news event on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday we do not have much. That shows that this Wednesday, Tuesday, on Thursday we didn't have much. So if I am to trade, I'll be focusing on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This Friday, the rest of the week, which is Friday, you will see that we'll have a lot of news event right here. See them, there are many. And each time you see these news events, they will use it to send price up and down. So when you do not see a lot of this news event, it means price is likely to trade in one direction. Once they manipulate with one of these news, we know that we don't have any other news for the day again. So price will move where it should go. But when you see a lot of them like this, they will use them to send price up and down. And that is not the kind of move you want to see in the market. So you can see this our analysis. This is a fundamental. I always tell you that this is the fundamental analysis where we start our analysis from. So you can see this one now. Let's now go to the forex charts, and I will now give you the technical analysis to show you where the chart will trade for the week, as I always do. So let's go there. Now this is DXY, and I told you that we always start our analysis from higher time frame, right? What is higher time frame? We have monthly, weekly, and daily. Look at them here: monthly, weekly, and daily. So I'm going to start from monthly, like I always do. And I told you that the analysis that I did early this month is still valid. Look at it right here. I marked this other block, fair value gap. Look, it's still trading up, so it's still valid. I don't really need to do much here, so I will drop it to a weekly chart. On this weekly chart now, what when you come to a weekly chart, you will determine. You see now, the week of trading that we're going into right now, we don't really know what that candle will be. If that candle will be an up candle or it will be a down candle, we don't know that. So it is from this weekly that you are doing analysis, where you are framing your setup. Okay, that this week we're likely to go like this. And as this market stand right now, you can see it's consolidating. If I drop it down to a lower time frame now, you understand what I mean by that consolidation. So for this week, on this weekly time frame that I am right now, the only thing I'm looking at here, it is this high right here, this buy side liquid previous week high. Then the next thing I'm looking at, it is this our order block right here with this fair value gap. I've been singing about to you people always. It must not come back there right now, but let your eye be there. So let's drop it down to a daily chart. I will tell you how it will trade for the week on that daily chart. This is the daily. Like the thing I marked out in my previous analysis, I still have them right here because they are still valid. So what I'm looking to see now, DXY has reacted off this daily fair value gap plus this other block. You can see the reaction now, which gave birth to this up candle. Looking for these liquidities, looking to attack this high. So right now, my bias for the week, our bias for the week on this chart that I'm giving you is this buy side, for them to run for this buy side. Now, when you drop it down to a lower time frame, you will know if they will truly run for this buy side or they will decline. So let's drop it down to a 4 hours chart. What did I just say? Our bias for the week, we are bullish. So drop it down to a 4 hours chart. Now on the 4 hours chart, you can see now. Look at this all 3 consecutive candle right here. They are 4 hours order block, and I already noted down there for you. Then let me take off something they showed. I will show you the. Look at this candle wick and this candle wick right here. It is a fair value gap on 4 hours. So that is what I have there. And you know, all these things that I'm marking out, if you go to EU and GU, you see the same thing. That is what I always tell people. Say then look at it right here. If you are watching me for the first time as a new student, you might not really understand the things that I'm saying here. But when you go to my previous videos, you start watching from there like that, you get what I'm saying here. This is smart money concept, right? So now on this 4 hour now, what I'm looking to see, I'm still looking at this high. But before you get to that high, when it trade to this level, you will see a reaction down. So you pay attention to it when you get there. I'm not going to trade this week because I'll be very busy in school. We are doing CA right now, and I have a lot of things I'm doing in school. That is why you can see this. My weekly review came late. My weekly review came late. I was supposed to upload it on Saturday, but I was so busy in school. So I'm doing this now. Saying that when market trade to here, it will react does not mean that I will trade when it get there, but it's going to react. If it does not react, it will attack this high. So that is what the market is going to do for the week right here on 4 hour. Then take it to 1 hour charts. When you take it to 1 hour, you can now see that this our order block right here is still there, but I don't want to make the chart dirty again, so I'm not noting anything right now as it stands. But if you want to, this is a 1 hour order block. I don't want to make the chart dirty. This is 1 hour order block that is sending price higher. So, and why I say you should be careful when you get here, the market right now is consolidating. It's not showing direction to go. It's not showing willingness to go in one direction. That is what I told you people consolidation is. Now, when market is consolidating, it does not show willingness to go in one direction. It go up, come down. Look at what they're doing. Comes up, go up, come down, go up. Look at what they're doing. So with what they're doing right now, we need to wait for them to trade. and give us another strong PDRA from monthly, weekly, daily to trade with. What do I mean by PDRA? These are the other block and fair value gap that I already shared within Smart Money Concept Trading Bible. So you can see DXY right here on 1 hour. We're not wasting much time here. So let's go to EU. So we'll go EU on weekly chart too, or monthly. Let's start from monthly like I always do. Our analysis is still valid here on the monthly chart. The things I mapped out for you people earlier, all of them are still here. You can see them. So I'm not doing any much thing on it right now. So you can see all of them here. So take it to weekly chart. I'm just going to give you the weekly bias, what I'm going to do for the week. Then we'll get out of the charts. So you see the weekly chart right here. With what this chart is doing, you can see they are not moving in one direction, up and down, up and down. This is consolidation. When I drop it to a daily chart, you see clearly there. Then there's something I want you to take note right here. Look at this down candle, this candle right here. It is a weekly order block. So anything that I'm marking on my chart now, you need to put it on your charts. That is how you become a smart money trader. That's how you become a senior trader. Because the things that I'm putting on this chart now, if you have the same thing on your chart, whenever you trade there, you will see how price will run away from there. And if you are following my analysis, if you are up to date, anytime that I'm going to trade, when you get there, I always update you people, right? So, and I'm going to do that. Then this is a weekly order block, weekly order block. So you pay attention to that. Sorry. Whenever you trade there, you mustn't trade there the week we're going into, but I just want you to have it there. Then let's drop it to a daily, because right now on this weekly chart, as it stands, there's no any PDRA there. You can see all of them. No correct fair value gap, no correct order block right here for us to work with. So you drop it down to a daily chart. You must find your order block and fair value gap before you trade with what I'm giving you, the things that I'm sharing with you. So right now, what can you see? I talked about this fair value gap, which has reacted off it and is trading down right now. So what I'm looking to see is this sell side right here, previous week low, buy side liquidities. I'm looking for this market to come and attack them. Now, as it's doing that, I told you that we're consolidating right now. Market is not showing willingness to go in one direction. And what can you see? There's a fair value gap right there on a daily. Let me mark it out for you. Look at it. This is a fair value gap. This is the daily fair value gap. And look at this fair value gap. There's something I want to show you about this fair value gap. This daily fair value gap now, if you take DXY, DXY does not have this kind of fair value gap at this level. Look at it here on daily. Let's go to daily DXY. DXY is supposed to have its own fair value gap here, but it does not have it. So it's only EU that is showing that fair value gap. So I'm not going to trust it too much, right? When price get there, I will want to see how they react. But I just want you to have it noted. When you get there, they will use it for something because it is created for a purpose. So drop it to a 4 hours chart now. On this 4 hours chart, what did I say our weekly bias is? We are still bearish. We are running for this low. And as we are running for this low, look at this straight down consecutive candle right here. They are order block. 4 hours order block. And look at this fair value gap I showed you. This candle week and this one is a 4 hours fair value gap. So all this level that I marked, when price straight to that level, you see how it will react away from that place. So for that reason, as it's trading for the week, once it trading to this level, you have to limit your anticipation of price going lower. It can react from there up to this place again because the market is consolidating. It's not moving in one direction right now. Let's take it to a 1 hour chart. Now on this 1 hour chart, what I want you to understand, you can see this is relative equal, this one and this one. They are liquidities. And now if they engage this liquidity into this fair value gap, they will love to sell it. They will love to buy it from there. And as they're doing that, you need to be checking what DXY is doing. When DXY will trade to this level as well. When DXY will trade to this level that I mark here, which is the 4-hour order block plus that fair value gap, then this one, when it gets here too, we'll look to see. That is the reason why I collapsed those my remaining trade. Now I wanted to hold them till the new week of trading that we're going into, if they will run for this low or they will come here and give me more profit, right? But for the sake of this level right here, the market can react from there to the upside. So for that reason, I took off all my trade for the week before I close on Friday. Then this one right here, this echo lows there and liquidities right there, because when this market was going up, a lot of people were chasing it to the upside, keeping their stop loss here, and market is coming down for them right now. So once market do that and sweep all this low into this level, it will love to react to the upside again. So pay attention to that. I don't want to make the chart that again. That's why I deleted all this my one-on-one favor look. I have few video array right now. So if this market is going to move, we have premium and discount right now. This is discount and this is premium. So the only way I will engage this market as it stand right now, I'm not going to engage if market is trading anywhere that you see me now. I did not mark anywhere. I did not mark anything on this chart right now. From all this place is black. So if market is trading around this place, I will not engage. I won't do anything. It's going to be consolidating around here. The only when I will trade it is when this market come to this place, which is that daily favor gap that I marked, or it come to this side, which is that favor gap that I marked from daily, which are the higher time frame PDRA. I always say it. I am not working with all those lower time frame PDRA, 1 hour fair value gap, 1 hour order block, 1 hour fair value gap, 15 minutes order block, 15 minutes. I'm not working with all those things if they don't have a support from higher time frame. Before I work with this order block, I was using it when it was forming, but immediately it finished forming, it traded to it. That this order block has not really sent price the way I want it. If this order block wants to send price, this retracement back to it right here, especially when it came back to take out this into this place, it's supposed to run down. So the very sweet part, you make use of this order block now. If you are doing anything right here and you want to put a protective stop loss on this level, it has to be above this order block right here. That is a protective stop loss, and that week right now is too high for me. The stop loss, if I'm going to get the trade from here and put the stop loss above that, it's going to be like 50 something pips, and I don't want to do that. It's too high for me. So I will leave that setup to go. I'm not going to trade it until I see the one. Look at the one I took that day from when I got my entry here. It was like 17 pips. Hey, that one was, hey, these are the kind of liquidity risks I'm looking to take. 10 pips stop loss, 20 pips stop loss. Hey, so if I want to take short-term trade, swing trade, position trade, those one now you can use a hair like that. 50 pips stop loss now is good, but this is not a period for short-term trade or swing trade, because market is consolidating right now. It's not moving in one direction, right? So I hope you understand this one now. Our bias for the week is bearish here. So all the analysis I just explained to you, anything you don't understand, go back, you hear it again. Then GU, let's go to GU. We'll start analysis from monthly, right? So let's go to monthly chart on GU again. Okay, you can see right here, this is the monthly chart. Let me clean it. All the things I marked out, they are still valid, so I'm not going to waste time here until they trade to this level and utilize this thing. Then I'll try to do another one from this monthly. It looks dirty somehow to you people right now, but let's say it's a weekly chart. You can see I was talking about this low right last week in my analysis, that they will come for this low, and you can see now they are close to it, and we are still coming there. We are still working on it. So what can you see right now on this weekly time frame on GU? What can you see? If your eye is very smart, if you have seen anything very good there, good. If you have seen a fair value gap, good. Look at it right there. See a fair value gap here. See a fair value gap here. That is a premium fair value gap. So I'm going to mark it now. Weekly fair value gap. Now there's something I want to explain to you after marking out this thing. Weekly fair value gap. Weekly fair value gap. So right now, this weekly fair value gap, what I want to explain, you can see that DXY does not have this fair value gap. Look at it here. Let's go to DXY weekly chart. And I told you that the things I trust are the one I see from DXY. Now DXY does not have its own weekly fair value gap here, right? Except from this one. So let's go back to GU now. But GU, when GU trade to this place, it is a high time frame PDRA, so they will react off that place. That reaction, it is a movement, and that movement, it is pips, and that pips is money. And that's what I always tell people. You need to understand that always. So let's take it to a daily chart. You can see right here now. This is a daily chart. Now we are still bearish. They are running for this previous week low and this monthly old low. This M stands for months. So we are still bearish here for the week. That's what I was saying here. And as it stands right there, I'm not gonna trade it. I'm not gonna make any execution here from where it is right now. Except before I sell it, this market have to retrace back to this level. That is the sweet part of my entry when I will sell it down. Or I will allow it to run down and take up all these liquidities, previous week low, this monthly old low that I showed you right here, this one right here. When they engage them into this monthly fair value gap, I already showed you the monthly fair value gap. It's here. Anything you see on my chart, if you don't understand it, as I'm doing my analysis, you can trace them on your chart. Look at the fair value gap that I'm talking about. Look at this candle week, and this one. It is a monthly fair value gap. They have reacted off it before, but it is a high time frame PDRA, so you need to put it back, because when price trade there, taking this liquidity into it, they will still react. So for that reason, I keep it there. So let's go back to our daily charts on EU. So look at it here. This is the daily chart on EU. On GU, I mean on GU, you can see it right here. Please follow up. Then look at what they are doing here. I talked about this fair value gap that day. This one right here. But I told you that I'm not going to work with it. That's what I told you, and look at how it traded all to this level before it dropped. So now the buyers for the week is still bearish. We are going down. That is the buyer. The power of this buyer that I'm giving you people, those short-term traders and those long-term traders, once they know this buyer, they will just come and get into this market and put their stop loss very far away from the market, because there are some people that have large funds right now that can give room for market for too much retracement, and the account will still withstand that retracement. So the power of this buyer that I'm giving you people, some of you don't really understand what I'm doing here. The power of what I'm sharing here. When some senior trader come across this, you see how they will jump on it, because they know what I'm doing here. So let's take it to 4 hours chart. Now you can see it. This 4 hours chart, and look at what they are doing. This other block on this 4 hours. And now I'm not, like I told you, I'm not going to engage. I'm not going to do anything here. I will not sell it, follow them down. No, I will wait for them. The market is not about you trying to get every fucking movement. It is when you get a very sweet part. You see how I got my entry that day on Wednesday on EU. You see, immediately I got in, it started running down. So anytime I got my entry, check out my trade. When I get in, I want to see speed. I want to see run from that place. I don't want to see them wasting time. So you have to wait for that specific time when the chart is about to do something that we see that kind of run. So I'm not going to do anything here. Doesn't mean that it will not still run down. No. But I'm waiting for my good entry. That's what I'm saying. These two, you need to wait for that if you want to get a good trade. So let's take it a 1 hour chart. You see right here on 1 hour. So we are still looking for this low for the week to be taken. So the only when I would engage this chart, it is when it comes to this place, or it taking all these lows into this level, then I will look to buy it. Before I say it will come here first. That is what I mean by premium and discount. Now once it come here, the price is very low, we can buy. Then once it come here, it's very high, we can sell. But where it is right now, I'm not going to be gambling with them. I'm not going to be trading with them. So as I'm not going to be doing that as a senior trader that I am, you that is just coming in, why will you do that? Are you not supposed to be following what I'm saying? So you have to understand that MondelaFX loves you all, and I want people to get exactly the same thing that I'm getting. That's why I'm sharing my naked analysis, my chart with you people. So the power of what I'm doing here, anytime you come to see my analysis, before you come to watch my weekly top-down analysis, try as much as possible to do your own analysis first with the things that I've taught you in the 10 video. Right from Life After School, that is the first video on MondelaFX YouTube channel. Life After School is the first video. When you finish watching that one, if you are new, start watching that one till the 10th one, which is Smart Money Concept Trading Bible. Then you will understand everything that I'm doing here. So before you will use those knowledge to do your own analysis, and when you come and watch me and you see that you don't, there are some things you don't have on your chart, then you know, oh, okay, Mondela have this and I don't have it. Then you go to your chart and mark out the same thing. That's how I learn. When I was watching ICT back then, before I go to watch ICT analysis, I must have done my own analysis with what he taught me, what I've learned from him, because I've watched series of his videos. I cannot remember how many videos of ICT I watched. So I have those information on my head. I have the knowledge already. So before I go to watch his analysis, when I was studying, then I will go. I will see. Okay, oh, I and ICT will have the same thing. That's how I picked up my confidence. That, oh, bro, I'm good now. I can do this to myself now. I don't watch ICT anymore. I'm here doing mentorship with people with the information he has given to me, and you can see the analysis I'm giving you people, how it's delivering, how it's panning out. Check the record, everything that I've done, and everything is real, live on the Forex chart right there. Everybody in the whole world right now that have access to trading view from Chrome will see what is happening to this Forex market in these currencies, EU, GU, DXY, and all of the thing I'm doing here. So this is it, the weekly analysis. That's what I'm going to do for the week. That's what we're expecting the price to go. So I hope you love the analysis. This is MondelaFX. I love this. This is my life, and I'm going to be doing this always, like I said. So enjoy. I hope you enjoy this till I talk to you later.